5 boys, and they eat a lot of food. I've come up with a few different ways making the snack problem easier and healthier. Oh, it's ready. The mushrooms is like my favorite, so I'm making risotto. And I'm making it in the Thermomix. If you're new to my channel, I have 5 kids, 5 boys, and they eat a lot of food. The most annoying thing they do is constantly ask for snacks. Because there's so many of them, I just feel like I'm in the kitchen all the time. And I end up giving them really unhealthy options. Just because it's easier, I've come up with a few different ways of making the snack problem easier and healthier. And that's by doing really quick and easy snack preps. Today, I'm going to make a zucchini slice. I absolutely love cooking because I have a Thermomix. Makes everything so much easier, all the baking I do. Another good thing I do is boil eggs, have them in the fridge, ready for them to eat as a healthy snack. He's not sick. He pretends to choke all the time. He thinks it's funny. Not funny.
What are you making?
Oh, risotto for lunch.
I want
No, I don't think you like risotto.
I don't.
But the big people like it. You've had lunch anyway. Another thing I do is pre-make sandwiches and I put them in the freezer. The thing that I do is chop up carrots, and I always try and chop my grapes, and it's easier to chop the ends of the strawberries all at once. When the kids are hungry, they can go to the fridge and get their own healthy snack option by themselves. So I'm going to take you along and show you exactly what I do today. Oh, and whatever I make today, you can make it in the Thermomix, and I'll also show you how to make it the old-fashioned way. The boiled eggs are also really good for the older kids to quickly make like curried egg sandwiches. These, if you haven't seen these before, they keep your veggies really fresh, your fruit or veggies really fresh, and they don't let them sit in the bottoms. They have a space to drain and they won't get like mushy or anything. So I find that really helps. I have 2 sizes and I just got these from Kmart. I'll try and find some and link them below. I make sure I quarter all my grapes long ways so that there's no risk of the kids choking. You want some food? Okay. Dapper, do you want some grapes, darling? Okay. Haven't even finished chopping them and they want them. They love their grapes. Okay, can you take that to Jasper, please? Thank you very much, good boy. So I do half of the grapes chopped up and the rest whole because not everyone's a 2-year-old and we like whole grapes, but this still keeps them really fresh. And I just make sure that I get the grapes for the 2-year-old, but it makes it so much easier because it's already chopped up and done. Now I'm gonna go rinse them. That is one part of the healthy snack station done. Now, just get a few of these peanut butter sandwiches out of the freezer. The eggs are ready. Just rinsing the eggs under cold water. Healthy snack station. Okay, so it is now the next morning. I ran out of time yesterday. I'm just gonna quickly make zucchini slice. I'm definitely going to be making them in the Thermomix, but you don't need a Thermomix. I'll just tell you the ingredients and you can use a food processor or just grate it. So the best bit about the Thermomix is that I take the skin off and chop it in half, put it in there, and it'll chop itself up. It's really occurred to me that I'm really promoting this Thermomix, but I don't sell them at all. I just love them. But if you do want to get a Thermomix, I know they sell them in Australia and a few other countries, but I don't know which ones. But if you want to buy one in Australia, I know of someone that sells them. So just send me a message on Instagram and I will put you through to them. Into so that now goes in the oven for 30 minutes. Okay, so I just got it out the oven and check out the shape. I've made this 1,000 times and it's never, oh there we go. Whoa. I'm gonna end this video now. Thanks so much for watching. If you guys end up trying this recipe, I would love to know. Please tag me in your Instagram stories or leave a comment down below. And if you want to see more stuff like this, just like this video and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye.